Well, I am an artist. I paint. I started out with oils on canvas, and I have progressed to more functional pieces. My husband and I have a team. He does the woodworking. He makes these tea boxes and jewelry boxes, and I do the artwork on them. My inspiration was always nature. I grew up in a very rural environment and surrounded by nature, and my mother had these beautiful gardens, and so that really catapulted me into this whole line of work. Well, I had my things in the little shop in there, and then found out about a few years ago, maybe 5, 6 years ago, they started with the Illuminates and invited me to do it. So, and I'm very happy about that. I'm happy to be in company with so much talent. So I have recipe boxes, jewelry, trinket, treasure boxes. With my heat press machine, I print my artwork onto tiles, ceramic tiles. I put my heart and soul into everything I do, and I hope that it comes through to people, and I hope that the work brings them joy, and as much as joy I have is doing it.